Eggplant belongs to the family of plants used in many different dishes around the world. Although often considered a vegetable, eggplant is technically a fruit because it grows from a flowering plant and contains seeds. There are many types of eggplant that vary in size and color. But, while eggplant with dark purple skin is the most commonly used or consumed, in addition to bringing a unique texture and delicate taste to dishes, eggplant can also bring a number of potential health benefits. Launching Healthline, eggplant is a nutrient-dense food, where eggplant contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber in good amounts with few calories. Eggplants also contain small amounts of other nutrients, including niacin, magnesium, and copper. In addition to containing various vitamins and minerals, eggplant even has a high antioxidant content. Eggplant is very rich in anthocyanins, a type of pigment with antioxidant properties that is responsible for its bright color. Because it is rich in good nutrients, eggplant is also considered to have many health benefits. 1. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and antioxidants in eggplant all support heart health. According to Medical News Today, a review published in 2019 showed that eating foods that contain certain flavonoids, including the anthocyanins found in eggplant, helps reduce inflammatory markers that increase the risk of heart disease. 2. Maintain blood cholesterol. Eggplant contains fiber, and this can benefit cholesterol levels. In addition, a 2014 study in rodents showed that chlorogenic acid, the main antioxidant in eggplant, can lower levels of low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, and reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 3. Prevent or fight cancer. The polyphenols in eggplant can help protect the body from cancer. Anthocyanins and chlorogenic acid protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. In the long term, it can help prevent tumor growth and the spread of cancer cells. 4. Supports cognitive function. Findings from animal studies suggest that niacin, an anthocyanin in eggplant skin, may help protect brain cell membranes from damage caused by free radicals. In addition, anthocyanins can also help prevent neuroinflammation and improve blood flow to the brain. This can help prevent memory loss and other aspects of age-related mental decline. 5. Weight management. Dietary fiber can help people control their weight. A person who follows a high-fiber diet is less likely to overeat, as fiber can help a person feel full longer. Eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, so they can contribute to a healthy, low-calorie diet. 6. Can improve blood sugar control. Fiber can lower blood sugar by slowing the rate of digestion and absorption of sugar in the body. Slower absorption keeps blood sugar levels stable and prevents spikes and breakdowns. Other research shows that polyphenols, or naturally occurring plant compounds found in foods such as eggplant, can reduce sugar absorption and increase insulin secretion, both of which can help lower blood sugar. 7. Supports eye health. Eggplants also contain the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein appears to play a role in eye health, and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss in the elderly.